So let's go over trigonometric functions and the number plane. If we have a number plane, we have our y and x axis. There's a few things we can do. Firstly, we want to draw a ray which has an angle of 40 degrees. Then we measure 40 degrees anti-clockwise from x, and there is our ray. Now there's a couple of other things we can do here. Firstly, if we want to do something more complex, like a ray which has an angle of 390 degrees, well, that's just 360 plus 30 degrees, which means we can draw a ray 30 degrees anti-clockwise from x. We wanted to draw a ray of minus 150 degrees. There's two ways we can do it. We can either go 150 degrees clockwise from x, which means we have this one, or we can notice that 360 degrees minus 150 degrees is going to be 210 degrees. So we could also go clockwise 210, and that's going to be the same angle. Some other things that we can do with this. If we draw our number plane, here's our y, here's our x. Okay, and we have a point. Let's say our point here is minus 3, comma 4. Then we can ask ourselves, okay, well, what is sine of the angle that it subtends from x? Well, let's draw our ray. Here is our angle. Now, we know that sine of theta is going to be y over r. Don't know r yet, but we can use Pythagoras. Okay? 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 25. So our radius is going to be 5. Therefore, sine of theta is going to be 4 over 5. What's cosine of theta? Well, cosine of theta is going to be x over r, which is going to be minus 3 over 5. And what's tan of theta? Well, tan of theta is y over x, so that's going to be minus 4 over 3. Now we could ask ourselves what theta is. And if we put it into a calculator, if we find the angle, because if we go shift tan of minus 4 over 3, okay, might get minus 53 degrees. Now we have a little bit of a problem here. We know that minus 53 degrees is going to be this angle here, which is not the angle that we're actually looking for. But we know that tan repeats every 180 degrees. So we know that if we add 180 to this, 180 plus minus 53 degrees, we get 127 degrees. And we know, because tan repeats every 180 degrees, tan of 127 is also going to be minus 4 over 3. So theta is going to be 127 degrees. If you have any more questions, please email me.